Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What I'm going to be talking about today in this video is about one of the wardrobe essentials that every woman should have in their closet, no matter their height, their weight, what type of body shape you have. This is something that every woman should have in their closet to build their wardrobe and to get their style off the ground. And what that piece is a blazer. It can go with so many different types of outfits. It can be dressed up, dressed down. It can make you look more polished. It's just something that everybody should have, and it looks great on everybody. So I'll be showing you guys 3 different ways that you can style a blazer that maybe you haven't thought of before. The first look I'm going to be talking about is a more polished, professional look that you can wear to the office. It's more business inspired, it's more polished and put together and just more professional looking. And for that outfit I chose to wear this brown and black plaid blazer from Zara, and I bought it during their sort of end of summer clearance sale when they're getting ready to go into their new season, and it was on clearance for only about $30, originally $150. And I thought it was such a great catch that I couldn't resist and I had to order it. This jacket is more of a heavier weight jacket that you can wear in the fall or winter. I wouldn't recommend it to wear in the spring and summer because its weight is thicker and it's much more intended to keep you warmer than one of the lighter options that I'm going to show you guys. So for this outfit I paired it with a white button-down shirt, which is this one right here. It has the pearl details on the collar, which kind of make it stand out than a regular white button-down shirt that you normally think of when you think of going to work or going to the office or a meeting. So that's one way to spice up a business outfit. And I also paired it with some black ankle pants and pointed toe flat with a black satchel purse to kind of give it that put together look, but still it has your own little personality in it, but still being professional and polished for the office. The next option is a more casual, chic, relaxed weekend look that you can wear going out with your friends. You can wear out on the town in the evening. It's very relaxed, very versatile. You can wear day or night, like I said. And it's this pink blazer that I chose for this one. I got it from H&M. It is more of an oversized blazer that kind of skims your body, and it comes a little bit below your waist towards your hip area. I just love these gold button details on it because it has this nice little embroidery design on it, and it just makes it look more expensive than it actually is. So for this outfit I paired it with a sort of graphic flowy shirt. It's kind of like a chiffon material, and I also wore a pair of shorts with it, which were these ones that I got from Goodwill. And one reason that I really like this outfit is because it kind of spices up your outfit. It makes it look new. Like if you have an outfit that you normally would wear, like it's your go-to, you can just throw a blazer on, like a colorful one like this pink one. You just throw it on, it can make your outfit look brand new. My third and final blazer styling option is a more sporty, kind of edgy look. I don't see this too often. This is what I just kind of thought of and it worked. So for this outfit I am wearing a blue, kind of like the previous one, kind of a boyfriend blazer that is skimming your waist. It's not as long as the other one, and it doesn't have any buttons, so it's an open front blazer. And this one is the lightest one of the one that I have, so you could wear this in the spring. In the summer, I think it would be kind of hot, so if you're going to wear it, you have to wear it if you're going to be inside most of the day. Like if you're in an office and it's pretty cold in there, that would be a good option. So for this outfit, I wore it with a graphic t-shirt. It's this white one right here that says I am an 11 on a scale of 1 to 10. And I also wore a and this is my favorite part, with these Adidas track sweatpants. And you might think of a blazer as being something more professional, more polished, but you can also spice up this outfit with your track pants, and it makes it look very modern, very fashion forward, or with my white Steve Madden cutout sneakers, and that also spices up the outfit. So this is one outfit that I'm very excited to wear on campus, especially days that I don't feel like doing much to my outfit. I can just throw on these track pants real quick, the t-shirt, and a blazer on top, and still look like I really tried for the day. So those are my 3 styling options for styling a blazer and then adding one into your wardrobe. These 3 looks are very versatile. They're different from each other, so you have some options of wearing a blazer, and you don't have to wear it in the same way. I love adding a blazer. It just makes your outfit just pop and stand out like that without requiring too much effort. So if you have any questions, comments, please leave them in the comment box below. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Also, follow me on Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube name, Styled by Katelon. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe because I post videos every week, something new, something fresh, fashion related, lifestyle related, and I just want to just share my information with you guys because I'm so excited for the things that I have coming up. So thanks for watching and stay tuned next week.